In this video, I'm going to go over the Chapter 1, Skills Check A1. There were a few people that had a few problems, and I don't want that to hinder you in future exercises. So, first of all, the instructions say at the blank screen display the new backstage area. I noticed a few people went into design, and at this point we want to discover the backstage area. So I'm going to go to File, and then we're going to go to New. And you may have to look around a little bit for wood type, but I've used it previously, so it shows up right here. And then it says to choose the variant in the top row, second column. So that's this one right here. And then you want to hit the Create button. That enabled you to choose a color other than the red color that was in the original template. So now we're going to go to the next step, and here we want to type career finders and then types of resumes. Okay, and then next step, insert a new slide and then type the following text in the slide. So here's your new slide button up here, and that just automatically puts a new slide in for you. So we're going to type this information in here. You've got to make sure that your spelling's correct, as well as all the other stuff that we're doing in this. Okay. I'll be back in just a minute. Alright, and after I finish typing everything, this is the text that you should be able to see. Notice that for some reason in your instructions it looks like it goes down to a second line and so forth. Don't worry about that. Don't do that. I think that's just a little glitch in the program. Okay, next step, insert a new slide. And when I go into insert a new slide, first of all I click up here in the program itself, and then I click on new slide, and that automatically puts that new slide in. And notice that in here it says PowerPoint will automatically correct the first letter of the last four bulleted items to a capital letter. Edit the text so that the first letter is lowercase. So when we're in here, we've got our first bulleted item that says list more recent training or jobs first, and then proceed backwards. I'm going kind of fast here, and so I hope I don't make any typos. It probably can't offer that. Okay, so when we get down to these last four items, I'm going to hit enter, and then I'm going to hit tab. And when you start typing here, notice that it automatically capitalized that P. So just to err on the side of caution, I would click this little drop down arrow and then undo automatic capitalization. And unfortunately you have to do that for every one of these four bulleted items. And so here we have it, and let's undo that. Okay, I'll be right. Alright, so I've typed all of those four bulleted items. Again, notice that this is the first level of bulleted items, and then hitting the tab key indents it to the next level. We're taking it to the next level. Next step, apply the push transition located in the subtle section. So let's look in transitions here. And there's push right there, and then we want the effect options to be from the left. Then after we do that, we want to apply to all, and when you see the little stars there, you can see that it is applying to all. Another way that you can do this to kind of give you another idea of how it looks is to change the view to slide sorter view, and then you see right there, the little icons. Alright, next step, I'm going to leave it there and let's see what happens. Specify that all slides advance automatically after 1.5 seconds. So again, we're in transitions and we want to unclick the mouse click and then do click in front of after. We're going to change that to 1.5. Alright, and then again I'm going to apply to all. Notice that here it gives me 0.2, but we want to specify 1.5. Let's see if we can get that to hold. It's rounding it up apparently. Next step, apply the wind sound to all slides in the presentation. So here we are. We're going to choose wind, apply to all. I always like to make sure that I click that to see that it is applying to all and not just to the slide that's currently selected. So now I'm going to check, and hopefully I've got all of these right. If I miss something, oh yay, I had 7 out of 7. Alright, I hope this helps, and please redo your assignment, your Skills Check A1. If you made 10, I'm going to ask that you redo it because these are concepts that are going to carry forward. You're going to be asked to do them again and again. Hope this helps.